Okay, welcome back to the channel. It's Elle, and today is formal night. Me and my husband, Mr. Traveler, decided to do a black and white night. It is our group cruise, and we are on the Alaska cruise for the Anthem of the Seas. This particular outfit is from Fashion Nova. It has gold buttons, it's black and white, and it is a knit set. This is actually a two-piece. It has some faux button pockets down here with gold buttons attached to it. And what I really love is this outfit is great for tall girl friendly outfits. The inseam is about a 35. I am 5'9". These are from Amazon. I'm wearing wedge heels. See those? What I really love about this knit outfit is it keeps you warm yet cool. It's not too hot and it's not too cold. It has a border detail on it and it's striped and it has faux buttons, but this is actually one piece. It doesn't open, but it looked like it does. And the knit is incredible. It is very good. And if you're wondering about my hair, yes, I do my own hair. I paired it with some gold jewelry. I have a gold bangle, and I have my Chanel bangle with my Cartier bangle. This outfit is so cute for cruising. It says I'm on the water. It's very coastal yet classy, and I love it. So I hope you're enjoying this fashion. I did my own nails. I decided to bring a little of Florida with me on the trip, and that's why they're yellow. Again, my wedge heels. This is the purse that I'm using tonight. I really love this little sash. You just throw it on and go. It's not very flashy. It comes in handy on any cruise, and you can tuck it inside your coat if you're walking around, if you want to be safe. So on to the next outfit for tomorrow. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I said that every day I was going to show you what we're wearing on the Alaska cruise. And I told you on our video that I would show you every day how my outfits look. And this particular outfit is from Fashion Nova. Thank you, Fashion Nova, for sending this over to me. They did give me a gift card for my birthday, so this was free. And this is what it looks like. You can actually see that it has a t-shirt at the top, and I have a sweater over it, and it has a tie. And this is just a kind of like a knit outfit. I'll get closer, you can see it. It's knit, and as you notice, every day I'll be dressing in layers. Like I said, we are on an Alaska cruise on the Anthem of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, and I'll be showing my outfits every day. This sweater was from Amazon, and I'll link the whole outfit below. I'm wearing some flip-flops. I don't know if you can see them because it's nice and warm on the ship. Or I can put on some gym shoes, or I could even wear, you know, some wedges with this. So this is what it looks like. Again, this particular outfit I'm wearing is so cute. It's a bubblegum pink, and it's from Fashion Nova. They sent it to me for free for my birthday for a gift card. Thank you so much, Fashion Nova, for sending it. And this sweater came from Amazon. If you notice, it's going to be a common theme every day on this particular cruise because we're in Alaska, so it's getting colder and colder. So I will be dressing in layers. This particular thin sweater, and I love thin sweaters because you can wear them under a coat, or you can wear them like to dinner or breakfast, and we're on our way to breakfast. You can just throw it on. It's not too hot, it's not too cool, it covers your arms. And since I'm wearing a t-shirt, I was able to dress in layers. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm wearing flip-flops because we are on a cruise and I don't need gym shoes on. I'm tired of wearing gym shoes. We live in Florida. And I'm just tired of wearing gym shoes, so it's nice and warm on the ship. So I'm wearing my Minnie Mouse earrings, and these are my Minnie Mouse donuts, and I can try to link these as well. I don't even know if these are available anymore, but I can try to link them. They look just like this. They're Minnie Mouse, and I just thought they were so cute. They look like real donuts. And I'm going to show you what Mr. Traveler is wearing. he really don't want to show you, but I think it'll help the men out there who traveling to Alaska with their women, you know. And I'll just show you what he's wearing. Come on over here.
No.
So Mr. Traveler is wearing a
jogging suit.
Adidas jogging suit.
Yeah.
I love this particular jogging suit. I gifted him this for Christmas, and I knew it would come in handy for Alaska. It has a drawstring, it has pockets, and it has a hoodie, and that's all he needs. He likes to dress simple, yet sophisticated when it's time to dress up, but when he dressed down, it's a C day, so he likes to, you know, dress really conservative on a C day. So we'll show you the next outfit. Bye. Okay, now I have another outfit from Fashion Nova. I really love jumpsuits. I love to wear one pieces, especially when I'm at the airport. I remember my mom always saying, don't look like the Beverly Hillbillies at the airport. She used to be so concerned about how we looked when we were out. That's when I wore this outfit, I thought about her. It just brought me to my mother. I really love how put together I look at the airport with just a one piece and some, you know, Air Force Ones, some Nikes. I think these are Nike Air Max I have on. My husband has a pair. He bought me a matching pair. I really love just a one piece jogging suit or a one piece outfit. So this is a great outfit from Fashion Nova. I thought it was really cute, and hopefully you do too. Lastly, we have Excursions Day, where we do a lot with our groups. We also do a lot when we do by ourselves. We do a lot of hiking, a lot of sightseeing. We're very, very busy people. We are a very busy, busy marriage and a busy couple, and I love it. And the more, the better. This particular Lululemon outfit comes in so handy. It is so comfortable with my Nike Air Force Ones. I think they're Air Maxes or Air Force Ones. I'll go ahead and link them below. It's stretchy, it's comfortable. I put my hair in two cornrows. That's what I'm saying, two cornrows. I lost my voice because it's freezing. It's hard to go from Florida to Alaska, but I really love this outfit. If you do too, make sure you comment below. Let me know how much you love the channel. Give me a thumbs up and let me know you love it. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I am 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. I partner up with me and my husband, Mr. Traveler. We own a travel franchise and we love to travel the world. If you want to travel, give us a call. 877-697-4470, or we can be reached at www.mrtraveler.com. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, live your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.